bought a Ram, and I guess I have to fix it too. No big deal. There's that. Coming in quick. Motor's coming out. That motor, that other 5.9, going in. If you look at the back, you can't really see it very well, but some of those plugs are good. And I got a new transfer case going in too.
What'd you do?
Like anything else couldn't go wrong right now. Anyway, that's a cracked transfer case. Yay!
Ouch, town population, you bro!
Well, here it is Wednesday. That's the motor I'm putting in. That's the motor I just ripped out of there. Oh yeah. I should have it done by this weekend.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
Yeah, baby! It's Friday, and I got her done. Oh yeah. She's running, everything's hooked back up. And I got this here is the transmission oil cooler that wasn't there before.